The valve kit consists of a new steel valve plate, a retainer bar, and 2 mounting pins. The kit can be used to replace either the inlet or outlet valve. Over time the valves will wear, often chipping. This will lead to a compressor that fills slowly or won't fully compress. Replacing the valve kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before you start any work on your air compressor, be sure to drain any compressed air from the tank. I'll begin by removing the pressure switch cover from the compressor. Next, I'll note the location of each of the wires and then remove the motor wires from the pressure switch. I'll use a pair of pliers to remove the strain relief from the housing. Now remove the breather line from the pressure switch. Now remove the exhaust pipe from the check valve. The motor and pump assembly is secured to the tank with 4 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. With the bolts removed, now I can separate the motor and pump assembly from the tank. Next, I'll remove the air filter assembly and the motor housing. I'll remove the air filter cover and then use a pair of adjustable pliers to remove the air filter base. Now I can remove the cover. Now remove the exhaust pipe from the exhaust elbow. Now remove the 4 bolts that secure the cylinder head to the cylinder. With the head removed, now I have access to the valves. I'll identify the bad valve and remove it. I'll also remove the pins, as the kit includes new ones. Now I can install the new pins the new valve, and the new valve retainer. Now I can reinstall the cylinder head. I'll install the valve plate, the gasket, and the head. And I'll secure the assembly with the screws. Now reinstall the outlet pipe. And I'll reinstall the motor cover. And the air filter. And now I can reinstall the motor and pump assembly onto the tank. I'll resecure the motor and pump with the screws. And I'll resecure the exhaust pipe. Next, I'll reinstall the motor wires. I'll put the cord clamp back onto the cord. And thread the wires through the pressure switch. And I'll connect the wires to the switch. And I'll connect the grounding wires. And I'll reconnect the exhaust pipe breather. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cover. And now you know how to replace the valve kit in your air compressor.